good, babies? It's your girl, Rich Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell somebody, because we lit it over here. Without further ado, y'all, this just came today. Da, 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 da. So this is already in the bag. Y'all, I seen this on the DH and I said, baby. Y'all, this is the large size tote bag of the Gucci Giglio. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. Y'all, I thought this was so stinking cute. The large size. I gotta hide this from my mom because she's gonna be like, I want it. Y'all, it's a large tote. It comes with a wristlet. And this is in the large. I think it comes in two sizes. And I think like 2 or 3 different colors, but y'all know I love me a good old original. Y'all, this is a big mama drama. This is cute. Hold on, y'all. Somebody at the door. Alright, y'all, I'm back. That was the exterminator, y'all. We got what is it? A yellow jack nest in our backyard, baby. And I've already been stung. So yeah, had to get the door. So yeah, that was that. Oh my goodness, that bag was cute. That's from the DH, y'all. I want to say the cheapest, because I kept looking until I couldn't find another link. I think the cheapest I got it for was like 60 or 70 something. They be killing me when they be having it packed up like a Scarface package. And then y'all seen this. For some reason, I just love glittery stuff. Y'all, when I seen this, I was like, hey, get this one. Because y'all know I got the other one for graduation. Y'all, and I thought this was just so cute. So cute. You know, put my phone in here. A little wallet or something. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to come on here and show y'all this. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. See ya. Bye.